Other question, is there not also a female a goddess? And so some questions regarding the unity of God.
As far as the sex is concerned, I have already answered that no soul has any sex. So Allah has not sex. He is just one thing, and He is not divided between a female God and male God. But the question is, how do we believe that there is one God only and there is no other God? I invite your attention to the nature. In the nature, according to it, an argument given by the Holy Quran, you find only one nature in the whole universe. The laws of nature are in accordance with each other, and they never clash. Had there been two gods, there should have been two natural laws, which should have come to clash with each other. So this is an argument given by the Holy Quran, that if you look at the nature, that is the natural laws, you will be surprised to find that in the entire universe there is only one law of nature which is working in every case. Even Einstein, when he looked at this, he said that there has to be a creator, because according to him, the symmetry in nature is so perfect that every law is in accordance with the other law and they never clash. So it is not an automatic chaotic thing. Some creator has to have created them in accordance with the natural laws which he created and no one else.